Hi, Tita Tess. Happy birthday. Welcome to the club. Enjoy your senior years. Take care always and I miss you. I love you so much. Bye.
Yes, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Tsaka sana good health lagi. At tsaka lagi mag-i-enjoy. Bye. Love you.
Thank you for giving me the opportunity to greet you a happy birthday. Wishing you good health and may you have many more birthdays to come. I love you.
Happy birthday, Tita Tess. Happy seniorhood. Coffee friend. God bless. We love you.
Love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Kape muna. Kape.
Birthday, Tita Tess. Alam ko blessed ka na. Pero I wish you good health and stay pretty. I love you. Happy birthday uli.
Lola Tess, I love you. I miss you. See you soon.
Happy birthday, Tita Tess! Yun! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Oh, cheers! 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 Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Tita Tess! Happy birthday! Oh! Parang legit! Baka naman! Baka naman! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tita Tess. Marilyn, para bukas to, para bukas.
Baka naman!
Hello, Maring Tess. Happy 60th birthday. Parang hindi ka 60 eh. Welcome to the club. Panay na tayong senior, pero ikaw bata ka pang tingnan. Para kang hindi 60. Enjoy mo lang ang buhay. Lagi ka namang masarap ang buhay. Bye-bye! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. I love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Ninang Tess, from me and Jaren.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tess. Happy birthday. Wishing you good health and more to come. Many more to come.
Happy birthday, BFF. Islas Kumare. I love you. Wish you good health and more happiness. God bless you. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday.
I love you,
Hi, Tess, my friend. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best in life. I know you are a great wife and an amazing mom to your kids. May God bless you more and I hope to see you soon. Happy birthday!
Hello, BFF Mama Tess.
Hi!
Nandito kami para i-happy birthday greetings ka. Happy birthday to you. At saka sana laging good health. We miss you. Welcome to the club. 60 ka na. Yung mga discount ka na rin. Tess, kahit wala kami dyan sa pinakamahalagang okasyon mo ngayon, at least nasa puso ka namin lagi. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy 60th birthday! Ano naman?
Hi, Tita Tess. 60th birthday. Always beautiful and be strong. Mag-iingat ka lagi. Stay beautiful and pretty. Always strong mother.
Happy birthday po! Salamat po sa lahat po ng biyaya na pinagkaloob mo sa amin. Salamat po sa lahat. More blessings po and more happy and more healthy years ahead. Happy birthday!
Hi, Tita Tess. Kumusta po kayo dyan? Happy birthday po. Sana po ay mabapanlalo ang inyong buhay. At sana po yung laging masaya ang inyong pamilya. Sa mga apo nyo na nagpapasaya sa inyo. Maraming salamat po sa inyo dahil sa mga tulong niyo po sa amin. Lalo na po dito sa parokya. Sa mga pamilya namin dito. Sa naging friendship po natin, maraming salamat. Salamat po dito sa birthday po.
Happy birthday, Tita Tess. Thank you po sa friendship na naging at sa ibigay niyo sa akin.
po ako, basta i-message niyo lang po ako. Kung nalulungkot kayo, may gusto niyo makausap, message lang po kayo. Thank you po sa magandang pakisapan niyo po sa akin. At saka po, ang wish ko po at ang dasal ko po para sa inyo ay good health po at saka sa family niyo po. Enjoy your birthday celebration po. Banding po ulit tayo pagka umuwi tayo dito sa Pilipinas. Thank you po. Happy birthday po.
We love you, Tita Tess.
Hello po, Tita Tess. I'm sure that by now you're happily celebrating with your family and friends. I know you are surrounded by people you love and people who love you as well. So, as for me, pinararating ko na lang po sa inyo ang aking pagbate, mainit na pagbate sa inyong kaarawan. I know it's your 60th birthday. So, I promise I'll continue praying for you, for your family, for your good health, for your happiness. And I'm sure na kasama din naman po ako sa inyong mga dasal. See you soon po pag nakauwi po ulit kayo dito sa Pilipinas. Happy 60th birthday, Tita Tess.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy 60th birthday, Tita Tess. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Maligayang bati sa iyong kaarawan. Maligayang
Hello, Tita Tess. Napaka-special naman ng birthday mo. Triple citizenship ka na. Filipino, American, senior citizen pa. Aba, ay napakaswerte mo naman. Ano bang sikreto mo at ikaw ay parang hindi tumatanda? Siguro naman ay talagang yun ay biyaya din. Kaya, Tita Tess, on your 60th birthday, ang wish ko, sana ay pagkalooban ka ng Diyos ng mahabang buhay, yung mga apo ay iyo pang maalagaan, magabayan, at ang lahat ng blessing sa pamilya ay iparing ma-cherish ito sa buhay mo. Kaya sana ay to share also the blessings to others. God bless and happy birthday.
Happy 60th birthday po, Tita Tess. Nakakatuwa kasi buhat po nung unang ko po kayo nakilala, hanggang sa ngayon hindi pa rin kayo nagbabago. Yung masayahin pa din, mabait, matulungin sa kapwa, at mabuting tao. Sana po ay lahat ng inyong mga panalangin ay dinggin ng Diyos at ipagpatuloy niyo po ang pagiging mabuting asawa, mabuting magulang, mabuting kapatid, at higit sa lahat, patuloy din po sana kayong maglingkod sa simbahan. Salamat po sa inyong mga panalangin para sa aming lahat. At muli po, happy birthday at God bless you po.
Tess, malagod kitang binabati ng happy 60th birthday. Welcome to the graceful age of senior citizens. May you have more birthdays to come. Celebrate life. Celebrate your family life. God loves you and your family. God bless you and your family. Stay safe, smile, warm regards to one and all.
Hello, Tess. Kung pala, di ko na. Ang tawag dito, kung ka na yung senior citizen. Kasi 60 ka eh. Pero it does not look 60. You do not look 60. You look 70. Hindi, kidding aside, happy birthday ha. Alam mo, gift of life yan. At magandang, we thank God for this gift of life. Wala talagang siya lang nakabibigay niyan, at sa kanya lang galing yan, and then let us spend our life, for Him and for our brothers and sisters, okay? Which you are doing. Keep it up, and more years to come. Happy birthday. Yay!
Hi, Tita Tess. You're so blessed to have reached this milestone in your life. Meaningful part of your life. And I'm so happy too. I'm so blessed to have been part of this, your 60th year of existence. Happy birthday po sa inyo. 60th. They say that age is just a number. 60 is just a number. No. For me, that 60 would mean 60 meaningful years of your existence, 60 years that you're so blessed by God. One is being grateful. I'm so grateful. I'm so thankful for your presence. Thank you for taking good care of us, for taking good care of priests. Salamat po sa inyong kagandahan loob, sa inyong kabaitan. Thank you for serving the church. To we wish for more years para po sa inyo. More years. We await the 65th, the 70th, the 75th, even the 100th century. So, we wish for more years of meaningful life po sa inyo, Tita Tess. Next is the prayer. My prayer for you that you continue to grow in wisdom, in love. Prayer that you continue to be a loving wife to Tito Sam, and a caring mom to your kids, to the boys. At syempre, sweet Lola to all your apos, grandchildren. More years to come, more birthdays to come. Happy birthday, Tita Tess.
Happy 60th birthday,
Hello everyone! Hindi ako makakarating sa birthday, sa pinakamalaking birthday na magaganap ngayong taon na ito, ang 60th birthday ni Doña Tess. Okay, but anyway, enjoy, have the best time, and hope to see you soon. Best regards to everyone. Bye-bye.
Hello! Happy 60th birthday to the most wonderful, loving, and generous sister-in-law, the Queen Mother, Mama Tess. On this milestone, I think there's no need not to have a wishes for you because you have everything na. I just want you to be happy, pretty as always, and healthy. Just looking forward to create more memories together here and there in US with our family. I love you so much. Happy birthday, Mama Tess.
Hello everyone! Especially sa ating celebrant for today, Ate Tess, happy 60th birthday. Alam mo, wala talaga sa itsura mo yung 60 kasi you are so pretty inside and outside. Una, higit sa lahat, gusto ko munang magpasalamat sa iyo sa lahat ng ginagawa mo. Especially sa aming family, sa Libang family, kay inay, kay tatay noon, sa aming mga anak, sa aming magkakapatid at higit sa lahat sa buong pamilya. Talagang napakaswerte sa iyo ni Kuya Sammy at mahal na mahal mo ang family ni Kuya Sammy. Kaya super blessed ka. Alam namin yon, pinapalitan lang ni Lord ang lahat ng ginawa mo. Napaka-generous mo at talagang lahat ng desisyon ni Kuya Sammy at sa decision mo, lagi kayong nagkakaisa, especially sa pagtulong sa amin. Kaya maraming salamat at ikaw ang binigay sa amin. Muli, happy birthday, Ate Tess. We love you so much and I hope we will see you soon again.
Hi, Ate. Happy birthday ho. Maraming po salamat, Ate, sa lahat. At sana isapitin niyo pa napakaraming karawang tulad nito, Ate. Salamat po, ate. God bless you.
Bye!
Happy birthday, Mama Tess! Thank you po sa lahat ng pagmamahal nyo sa amin. Sana po palagi kayong healthy, palaging happy, and palaging happy heart and very young. We love you!
Happy birthday, Mama Tess! We love you po!
Hi, Mama Tess! Happiest birthday! Unang-una sa lahat, gusto kong i-claim na isa ako sa mga paborito mong pamangkin sa Libaang family. Pero, kidding aside, wala na ako ibang ma-wish sa'yo dahil sa'yo na ang lahat. Kundi good health dahil mas matagal ka pa namin gustong makasama and more blessings to come dahil isa ka sa mga generous na taong nakilala ko na pag naka-receive ng blessing ay talagang isinishare din to sa iba, and napaka-lucky ko and ng family ko na pag may nare-receive kang blessing ay sinishare mo ito sa akin or sa amin. Muli, happy birthday and I hope to see you again soon.
Happy birthday, Ate Tess!
Happy birthday, Ninang White!
More birthdays to come!
Enjoy!
Love you guys!
Happy birthday sa napakabait, maganda, mapagbigay, maalalahanin at mapagmahal na sister-in-law ko. Wish ko lang na God will always shower you His blessing and guidance. God bless you always more. Have a blissful birthday. Love you.
Hello. Happy birthday, Tess. I wish you all the best life has to offer. Take every chance you got in life, because some things happen only once. Enjoy life, and I pray that you'll always have a peaceful and happy, healthy life. You are so good to us. That's why you are truly blessed. Cheers to another year ahead of good luck. Love you always. Happy birthday. Stay safe and healthy. Love.
Happy birthday, Tita Tess! We love you!
Happy birthday, Mama Tess! We love you and we miss you!
Happy birthday, Marites. We love you. Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Hi, congratulations on reaching this milestone birthday, Marites. I wish you the best and have a good life. I treasure all your calls and visit. Love you!
Hi, Marites! Pinagpapala ng Diyos, maraming anak, maraming apo, masipag pa rin. Talaga naman. O sige, congratulations!
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Lourdes.
Wishing you good health always. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tess. Enjoy your birthday celebration. We wish you good health and a great 2025. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Tita
Happy birthday!
Wish you were here, pero alam ko may bigger day ka dyan. Happy birthday!
Enjoy your day. Wish you good health, happiness, and hope to see you again soon. Love you!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tess! I love you!
Happy birthday po!
Happy birthday, Mama Tess. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tita Tess. Wish you all the best in life. Praying for good health, happiness, and long life. We love you and we miss you. Happy birthday.
Birthday, Tita Tess. Enjoy your party.
Birthday, Tita Tess! Enjoy your day!
Tess, happy birthday. Thank you for always being so thoughtful and for being so generous all throughout the years. You've always been very, very close to me, and I'm very, very happy to be your niece. You have brought up such wonderful kids, and you are such a good wife to Tita Sammy. We look up to you. Stay healthy always, and take care of yourself and also the others around you. I love you, Tita. Happy birthday.
Mama Tess, we wish you good health,
Happiness,
the best in life.
A long life.
and you
Thank you
for
everything, Mama Tess. Love, love, love.
Happy
birthday, Tita Tess. Wish you all the best. Good health always. You know naman na love kita. Enjoy your day. I love you, Tita.
Enjoy your day, Tita. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
3.
Hi, Tess. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Tess, I wish you good health and happiness. We love you.
We love you!